I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a uniform base. Pour 1 cup glue into a bowl and stir in 1/2 cup water until smooth. Once blended, add color or glitter now because it disperses best in the wet glue. Meanwhile, dissolve 1 teaspoon borax into 1 cup warm water or have contact lens solution with boric acid ready as your activator. You want the activator accessible before you add it. This prevents overworking the mixture and ensures immediate polymer cross-linking. Once done with your base and color, add the activator slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, and stir after each addition. You will see clumps form. When the slime pulls away from the bowl, transfer it to your hands. Knead with varied pressure to evenly distribute the crosslinks. This develops stretch without breaking. If it stays tacky, add tiny activator drops. If it becomes rubbery, introduce a few drops of water and knead until pliable. Make sure to test texture frequently for the perfect balance. To finish, refine texture and appearance. Add a few drops of baby oil or a squirt of lotion and knead until smooth for shine and softness. Once satisfied, shape and place your slime in an airtight container to avoid drying out. If things go wrong, here's a key tip. Sticky slime usually needs a small amount of activator added gradually, whereas overly stiff slime benefits from warm water and gentle kneading to relax the network. Make sure to test small adjustments to avoid overshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.